Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If I'm new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so that you don't miss out any feedback or any update from us. So, today we are going to cover a very important topic which will change your process of mobile app development. Are you struggling to find the correct resources to make your mobile app development process streamlined, or are you tired of wasting your time and money on wrong tools? Then you're not alone. But guess what? This video is going to be an ultimate solution. By the end of this video, you will be able to decide which tool is best for you. We are going to cover top 10 tools which will make your mobile app development process much easier, faster and efficient. Let's look at the top 10 tools we'll be covering today. Flutter, React Native, Xcode, Android Studio, Unity, Firebase, Sketch, Figma, Adobe XD and Jira. And trust me, you don't want to miss out any of this from video because this video is going to give a lot of tips for your mobile app development process. So let's get started. First up, we have Flutter. Flutter is provided by Google and which allows you to build applications for desktop, web and Android from a single code. Which means you are not wasting your time or money for making different codes for different devices. Here you save your time and your money both. Next is its hot reload feature. Means when you display some changes, when you change some things in your application by your coding, then you don't have to reload or refresh everything manually because it changes exactly at the same time. Next is its pre-designed widgets. Means there are pre-designed widgets which act like building blocks for your application. So here you are wasting no time because you don't have to create everything from the scratch for build your app. Next is it's an open source. Means it is free for each and every one of you and you can build your application through this tool for free. And last is its language. it uses Dart language which is very easy to learn as compared to other languages and it makes the whole process very flexible. Next we have React Native. React Native is provided by Facebook and it allows us to use a single code for both iOS and Android devices. So again here you are not wasting any single penny or your time on wasting the codes of different devices or you're breaking the codes of different devices because here you can use a single code for both. Next is the languages it's used. This use very popular languages like JavaScript and React which are used by many developers out there. Next, this also uses native components, which means this uses components that are already in existing system. Means here the application would be more flexible and it would be more smooth. Next, it's a benefit. Then here is a benefit you will get because there are many people or many developers using the tools. Because there you will get the advantage that if you have any problem or any doubt in this, you will get different resources and different people who can help you out through it. Next we have Xcode. For all the Apple fans, Xcode is Apple's development tool for Mac computers. So here you can build different types of applications for all the Apple products including Mac, iPhone, iWatches, Apple TVs, etc. So this tool also provides you all the features of coding, viewing and testing which increases its capability, and it uses the language Swift which is a programming language used to write applications for Apple products. Additionally, it provides you feature of previewing your application. Means if you are working on your application, you are making some changes here, then you can watch your website, you can watch your application here. This makes the testing process much more easier. So overall, Xcode is a tool we'll use for making applications for only Apple products. If you want to go for making applications which are valid only for iOS or for only Apple products, then you should go with Xcode. Next in the list is Android Studio. As we have talked a lot about Apple, so talking about Android is also very important. So Android Studio is an official tool given by Google to create different applications for Android devices. This tool also provides various features of coding, building apps and testing your app's performance. The best features it provides is layout editor. So here you get an option of draw and drop of interface, means drag and drop interface, so that you can do it easily. You can build and you can design your application more easily here and without thinking about more codes, because it is more of the hand thing, like you are dragging and dropping the interface here. And the language it uses is Kotlin. Kotlin is a programming language which makes your application process more easy. So overall, if you want to develop applications for Android, then Android Studio is the one you should go for. Next we have Unity. It isn't just for making games. It's also great for building interactive mobile apps with impressive graphics. So this has a great engine which allows you to create applications with great visuals. Whether you are thinking to make a 2D interface with flat graphics or a 3D one with complex designs, Unity can handle both. And the most prominent and the most good feature about is its asset store. So it has an asset store where there are different assets and plugins, means pre-built assets and plugins which you can use for your application development. Means here also you are saving your time because you don't need to do everything from the scratch here. And additionally, Unity also provides a single code system, means you can use a single code for iOS as well as Android. So you are saving time here again. This is quite easier if you want to build a more interactive, more prominent and more visually appealing interface of your application. Next we have Firebase. Firebase, again from Google, is a set of cloud-based tools which allows you more easier manage and development of mobile apps. It provides amazing features like real-time database. Means here you can store and sync data instantly from different devices. Next is authentication services. So here Firebase sees all the logins and registration things. Next is cloud storage. So here cloud storage is provided by Firebase to save your files. So when Firebase is doing all this backend stuff, you get time to focus and concentrate on the designs of your app interface and user experience. Next we have Sketch. Sketch is a great tool for designing the look and feel of your mobile app. It uses vector graphics. So what does vector graphics means? Means your vector graphics provides you the various sizes and shapes you want to change. Means you can change the sizes but the quality of your design does not get compromised. You can go up, down, you can increase the size as you want but the quality remains same. Means this helps you and makes it easier to build a sharp design or to build a sharp interface for your application. It also has shared libraries and pre-built plugins. Means again you don't have to do everything from scratch and you can use this plugins for your app development, which saves your time again. And additionally, Sketch is good with themes. Means it allows you to use various themes and various design tools. Means here you can use various tools and various design tools for your app development. So you can do a very great job as a team. Now let's go to Figma. Figma is a web-based design tool which is great for working with teams. Here it allows multiple people to work on same project on the same time. Means there are various people working on same thing at the same time. So this is great if your team is spread out. Next, it also has already used or pre-built things which you can use for your app development. Here, this also have a shared library and plugins which you can use for your app development. And next, it also has vector graphics. Here again, you can make your designs very sharp and very detailed by the use of it. Next, it also provides different features like prototype. You can view a prototype without actually working on the code, without actually writing the code. You can see that how the prototype is working. So this makes the whole process very easy. Second last in the list is Adobe XD. Adobe XD is amazing for designing the mobile app experience we want. So this also has vector based tools. Means again your design will stay sharp and clear at any size you want. So this is again very good feature you had from the earlier one too. Next, it also provides you virtual prototype. Here also you have a prototype without going directly for the codes. You can see how these codes are actually going to work on the prototype. So you save a lot of time here. And one additional and the highlighted feature of Adobe XD is that it can work well with other Adobe platforms like the Illustrator or the Changer with Adobe XD. The Photoshop with Adobe XD, we can do everything and we can work with any other Adobe platform here. So this becomes more easier and more relevant for your design so that you can go with anything you want. At last we have Jira. Jira is a must-have tool for managing softwares and mobile app development projects. So here Jira works very well with team. Means you can write down your work, you can write down your progress, you can report anything. Overall, Jira is an app or is a tool where you can think your management is going well. This is all about managing the project. You can see that all your project is going as scheduled and you can see that the final output is of good quality. So these were the top 10 tools you need to know before starting your mobile app development. Whether you are a seasoned developer or you have just started app development, these tools will help you to create amazing apps very fastly and more efficiently. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubt, please comment below. Thank you and have a great day ahead.